Welcome back, everybody. Automotive Inc. Today we're talking about an important update you need to do if you have a 23 and up GM HD truck or even a half-ton truck. You can check for this update if you go to your systems and then go in there, scroll down to the very bottom at the settings and look for the update tab. Hit that and we're going to do this important update. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button down in the corner of the video or down below above the details. Notification bell and thumbs up, please. Always helps a small channel out. Now, GM just recently announced it's going to release this update. So GM's Google-based system does have some glitchiness sometimes, but all of them do. All of them do. No matter if it's Sync 4 or Nissan system, all of them are just like your phone. It has a burp, it has a fart, you got to fix it. So we're going to go into here. This is the GM N25-250020 update. Install is 15 minutes. You can't move the vehicle while it's doing it, and it's best if you have your system dialed into your Wi-Fi at your house to do it. You can see right here, improves how center display, adjusts the lighting, changes, prove warnings and key missing, and all this other cool stuff that you can look at. And while it does it, it says right here that the radio may stay on after you exit the vehicle. This is expected behavior. So we are going to hit the install button now. You can always hit schedule, remind me later, but who wouldn't want to get this update done with? So now it says right here, it walks you through it. We're going to turn off the vehicle, and then right there, be sure you're ready to update. So if you got to go somewhere before, don't start your install until you're in a place where you can do it. So the install is going to start in about 52 seconds. In the meantime, guys, go about your business. Once this gets done, it's going to say the update was successful, and then you're on your way, and hopefully that'll take care of some of the glitchiness that's in these systems. Now, again, you may not necessarily get the notification, or you may have missed it when you start the vehicle and drive away. So make sure you go to your home button, go to settings, click settings, scroll all the way to the bottom where it talks about updates, click that and see if you have the latest version and or this version. It's always good to just get your OTA updates over right away as soon as they come across, if you have a time to set the vehicle aside and do that. Again, OTA is over the air. This can help prevent you having to go to the dealer because they can push these down. And that way you're like, well, the system's kind of being wonky. So, you know, it just is what it is. As always, guys, hopefully that helps, and we're going to catch you on the next one.